What is underemployment? There are more people in agriculture sector than required. If we remove a few people out, the production will not be affected. That means the workers in the agricultural sector are more than required. Now look at the slide. Underemployment is a situation where people are apparently working but all of them are made to work less than their potential. If few people move out, it will not affect the production. It is hidden in contrast to the open unemployment where a person is clearly or visibly without a job. For example, there are thousands of casual workers in service sector in urban areas as painters, plumbers, etc. These surplus workers could be employed somewhere else and increase the family's income. Now look at the slide. How to create more employment. First point, improving irrigation. Now, suppose a new dam is constructed and canals are dug to irrigate many farms. This could lead to a lot of employment generation within the agricultural sector itself, reducing the problem of underemployment. Then next point, investing in transport. If the government invests some money in transportation and storage of crops or makes better rural roads so that mini trucks reach everywhere, several farmers can continue to grow and sell these crops. This activity can provide productive employment to not just farmers but also others such as those in services like transport or trade. Then third one, credit by local banks. To cultivate the land, a farmer needs seeds, fertilizers, agricultural equipments and pump sets to draw water. So he will have to borrow money from money lenders and pay a high rate of interest. If the local bank gives credit at a reasonable rate of interest, he will be able to buy all these in time and cultivate his land. Then next one, locate industries in semi-rural areas. Next one, opening cold storage. It could give an opportunity for farmers to store their food products like potatoes and onions and sell them when the price is good. Then next one, only 2/3 children attend school. Do you know that in India there are about 200 million children in the school going age group? Out of this, only about 2/3 are attending schools. The rest are not. They may be at home or many of them may be working as child laborers. If these children are to attend schools, we will require more buildings, more teachers and other staff. Then next one, improving health care. We want more doctors, nurses, etc. Next one, improve tourism. It also provides extra 35 lakh job opportunities. Then next one, right to work. Last one, NREGA 2005. Let us recollect NREGA 2005 which we learned in 9th standard. Under this act, those who are able to work are provided 100 days of employment by the government in a year. NREGA, National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005. It was started by central government. Under NREGA 2005, all those who are able to and are in need of work are guaranteed 100 days of employment in a year by the government. If the government fails in its duty to provide employment, it will give unemployment allowances to the people. The types of work that would in future help to increase the production from land will be given preference under this act. So all these efforts would definitely increase the employment opportunities.